Okay, so today I have with me, just got it from Best Buy, the Apple Magic Mouse. This is Apple's second attempt at a wireless mouse. This one has the multi-touch with the one button click. You can do two button scrolling just by dragging along the surface. And so yeah, there's the back, and I'll go ahead and get this open. So there it is. Really nice. There we go. And so there it is. The Apple Magic Mouse has a aluminum bottom, two kind of plastic glider deals. I believe it should have the batteries in it. It does, has Energizer batteries. So let's see what else is in the box. Just some little Mighty Mouse guide type thing. Some Bluetooth regulatory certification and warranty. And that is it. So, yep, there it is. The Apple Magic Mouse. I'm going to try it out and see what I think. Might do a review on it. But, yeah, thanks for watching.